Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Gorathe. Today is 19 April and today's video topic is scope of variable and memory allocation in Java. So let's see. The scope of variable is a part of program where the variable is accessible. Means the we check scope means the accessibility of that variable like C++. That is scope of variable can determine at the compile time and independent of function called stack. Then every class is a part of the sum package. In that first we see member variable means class level variable. This variable class level member variable, this variable must be declared inside the class but outside any function. They can be directly accessed anywhere in the class. Then we can declare class variable anywhere in class but outside the method we do not declare inside method. Then access specifier of member variable doesn't affect scope of within the class. Then the member variable can be accessed outside the class with the following rules. Then public, the access modifier is public, protected, default, and private. Public means we can it accessible anywhere. Private means it can accessible only the class, and protected it can accessible inside package, outside package, but during child class. Uh, then default is accessible inside only the package. Then variable declared inside the method have method level scope only it is applicable on that method. Then we see type of variable in Java. There are three type of variable in Java. These are the local variable, instance variable, class or static variable. First we see local variable. In uh, local variable that declare used to inside the method body means we use that variable inside the body, that is called as local variable. Local variable we do not use outside the body, and it is not available outside the body. Then local variable must be assigned value at that time of creating. Uh, then uh, then next is the stored memory of local variable are stored in stack memory. Uh, when the main method call uh, sorry then next is a instance variable. In instance variable, a variable that is declared inside the class but outside the method, it is called as outside the method and constructor and block, it is called as instance variable. We always declare insert instance variable is outside the method. Instance variable are variable of the object which are commonly known as a field or object variable. When object is created from class, the memory allocated from instance variable are destroyed. Then the variable which declared with static keyword called as static variable means when we write static keyword before the variable, that variable is the static variable. Static variable we write once and use all over the program. The static variable is always declared inside the class but outside the method or constructor or block. Then we see next is memory allocation. In that static variable memory allocation of static memory happens only once when dot class is loaded into the memory, and it is destroyed when dot class unloaded into the memory. Then the memory management in Java. The memory management is a process of allocation and deallocation of object called memory management. The Java does memory management automatically. Java use automatic management system called the garbage collector. Then next is the JVM structure. The JVM create various runtime data area in the heap. These area are used during in the program execution. Execution. Then next is a then next we see the heap memory. The heap store the actual object. It create when the JVM start up. The user can control the heap if needed. It can be fixed or dynamic size. It can be fixed or dynamic size. Then next is a reference type. There are four type of reference: strong, weak, soft, and phantom reference. The difference among the type of reference with the object of the heap, they refer to the eligible of garbage collector. Then next is a stack area. The stack area generates when the thread created. It can be either fixed or dynamic size. So that's all about today's topic. Thank you.